Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to run Java program without using any IDE like BlueJ or NetBeans. So for that we need to download the framework of Java JDK. So for that open up your browser, then search for JDK download, then go to the first link. Now download and install the Java framework according to your system. Now right click on this PC, go to properties, then advanced system settings, then environment variables, then double click on the path. Now to get the value of path, you need to go to File Explorer, this PC, C drive, program files, Java folder, then the JDK folder. Now select here and copy this one, then paste it over here, then click OK and close this one. Now for writing the Java program, we will use Notepad. So we will open the Notepad. We will take a class, then the main method, then the library function to print, and we will print hello Java. Now save the file in the desktop, and the file name will be according to the class, and the extension will be .java. Then save it. It will be created in the desktop. Now we will run the Java program. So for that, open CMD. Now as our Java code is in the desktop, so we will change the directory to the desktop. Then we will compile the Java code. Now if any error is there, it will be shown over here, but in my case in the code there is no error, so it created the object code. Now we will run the program. Here you can see we have printed hello Java. Like this we can run the Java program.